Hi, today is 21st of July. Let's have a quick look in the companies which are in the verge of a reversal, and this is going to be a very small crisp presentation जहाँ पे हम कुछ कुछ ऐसे कंपनीज के बारे में बात करेंगे जो शायद अभी एक रिवर्सल के मूड में हैं. गोइंग फॉरवर्ड वी मे want to have a sip and we want to enter these companies, and eventually definitely we will try to keep a strict stop loss, but eventually these looks like a very good companies where going forward, if we believe that tomorrow Nifty is going to go up and we are very near towards the bottom formation in Nifty for short to medium term, so maybe these companies are good companies where we can invest some money. सो इनमें से कुछ कुछ जो बड़े नाम्स हैं, जस्ट लाइक एक यहाँ पे एक है हिंदुस्तान यूनिलीवर, द सेकंड इज मारुति इज़ वेरी नियर इज 7200 लेवल्स, एंड आई थिंक अगर आप स्ट्रक्चर वाइज देखते हो, सो देयर वाज अ डाउन टर्न एंड नाउ इट्स ट्राइंग टू रिवर्स, एंड दिस इज़ वेरी ट्रू फॉर हिंदुस्तान यूनिलीवर एज वेल एज फॉर मारुति हमने 7600 7500 में हमने शॉर्ट्स किए थे, और वहाँ से अभी जाके हमने यहीं पे क्लोज कर दिया था बिकॉज द कैंडल्स वर गेटिंग स्मॉलर, एंड ऑल्सो यू कैन सी नाउ इट इज़ ट्राइंग टू reverse, and maybe Maruti, Hindustan Unilever, Concor is another company. Concor had a very good run, and हमने 690 levels को ट्रैक करने के लिए बोला था, उसको वो टूटने के बाद ये 650 तक चली गई, which was a good short trade, and then eventually you can see that right now is forming dojis and it's actually trying to move up. The fourth company would be Bajaj-AUTO, and this is ये बहुत ही एक नैरो कंसोलिडेशन में थी, एंड देन द डिविडेंड केम, और उसके बाद से ही इसका डाउनफॉल स्टार्ट हुआ था, बट गोइंग इवेंचुअली फॉरवर्ड यू कैन सी दैट it has been making smaller and smaller candles, and now eventually it looks like maybe it will try to reverse from these levels of or maybe it can even dip towards 3800, but no matter what, Bajaj Auto, Maruti, these looks like the two auto companies which are bound for reversal. Similarly true is TCS. यहाँ पे आप TCS देख सकते हो, after result a good downfall, but then it is trying to maintain this 3200 levels for since many sessions now. So maybe any move towards 3220, 40 would actually give it a very good boost going forward. और रिवर्सल कैंडिडेट्स में और अगर मैं एक नाम बोलूँ, so this is something which is always in my tracker is Britannia. So try to keep Britannia over 3500, and this might be a very good candidate for reversal. And other than that, you have Jubilant Food posted its results, so basically we have to see how this stock is going to behave. But definitely this is a very good candidate, maybe that which we can track for reversal, and this is also true for BPCL, though I won't be actually trading BPCL because right now there are a lot of conflicting news which are coming for on the crude section, and these might have very erratic movement on BPCL. And but again, one of the companies we can see is Adani Ports. I don't trade, or I have never bought a single stock of Adani groups, but no matter what, if you are one of those guys who are trading Adani, so you can see that even Adani is actually Adani Ports is actually after a string of reds, it is now trying to reverse. So this should be a few companies which should be in your radar. So definitely from these branch, for me it's Jubilant Food, and other than that you have big names in Nifty as Hindustan Unilever, Bajaj Auto, Maruti and TCS. So I think this is exactly the reason why Nifty should be bottoming out and trying to reverse from here. Of course, going forward tomorrow, the market will react on Bajaj Finance news, Bajaj FinServ news, the results, and they will also react on other Nifty heavyweight results which were posted after yesterday's market opening, closing, and today and tomorrow morning, right? So these news will always play a role in the movement of the Nifty, but you if you are someone who is actually trying to play the momentum, then maybe it's now for you to do your own इंट्राडे कैलकुलेशंस. आपके जो इंट्राडे इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है, आपका जो सिस्टम है, उसमें आप ये सब स्टॉक्स में देखो कि कब ये पर्टिकुलर आपके बाइंग रीजन में आती है. लेकिन फ्रॉम अ वेरी सिंपल चार्ट एनालिसिस यू कैन वेरी वेल अंडरस्टैंड that over a period of time, when it's a downtrend and now it's trying to reverse from these levels, so maybe and you can see this is closing at 2434, whereas 2400 is a very good support level, right? सो आपको जस्ट 30-40 पॉइंट के स्टॉप लॉस लगा के आप अपना इन्वेस्टमेंट कर सकते हो. एंड इवेंचुअली इफ इट गोज अबव 2500, देन यू कैन सी अ वेरी विगरस एंड गुड मूव कमिंग. This is also true for companies like Maruti and Bajaj-AUTO. So these are very good companies which you can have in your portfolio, and this is of course true for company like TCS. So the company has been correcting, but you can see that all of these corrections, they are all getting bought, and now you can see it's all in the very tight and small zone. So hope this video is going to give you some ideas of the reversal candidates which I am tracking on 22nd of July and for the next 2-3 weeks. And with any strength in Nifty, I would be studying how much of these particular big names like HINDUNILVR, Maruti, TCS and Bajaj-AUTO are contributing to that. And as and when I see there is a reversal happening in these particular counters, definitely I will be adding positions. This is more like positional and swing trading ideas, where I will try to for example, आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हो कि TCS 3200 में बहुत अच्छा एक सपोर्ट कर रही है. So I would be selling 3200 PE, or maybe you can go ahead and sell 3000 PE to be on the safe side and try to make some get some money, because if the market is able to reverse, then the 3200 PE would be trading at some very good price right now, and we have just a 1 week till expiry. So that will be a very good trade. And similarly is true for Bajaj-AUTO. Say for example, I can easily short few lots of 3800 PE, and if Bajaj-AUTO falls below 3800, I am ready to take delivery. That's absolutely not a problem, because a company like Bajaj-AUTO is definitely going to give me a good return in the very near to medium future. Thanks a lot for listening, and hope this video is going to help you in some way in finding your perfect SIP levels and your perfect companies for SIP at these levels of Nifty as of 21st of July 2021. Thank you.